Imagine waking up 1,000 years from today. The world around you is completely transformed, yet intriguingly familiar. Picture cities blending hyper-modern technology with lush greenery, towering skyscrapers entwined with living plants. And that's just the beginning. Picture a city where every building is an ecosystem in itself. The walls glow gently at night, thanks to bioluminescent materials. These buildings aren't just homes or offices, they're living, breathing entities that purify the air and produce oxygen. Imagine walking down streets lined with vertical gardens, trees and flowers blooming on every corner. People have green spaces on their balconies, and community gardens are central to urban life, providing fresh produce and a place to connect. In this future, sustainable living is the norm. Buildings generate their own energy from solar and wind power. The air is clean thanks to advanced filtration systems and electric vehicles everywhere. Oh, and those vehicles? Think flying cars, but more like personal drones that zip you across the sky in minutes. These drones use renewable energy and AI navigation systems to ensure safe and efficient travel. No more traffic jams or accidents. Public transportation is just as advanced, with silent maglev trains and hyper-efficient electric buses. And speaking of transportation, how about the Hyperloop 2.0? Imagine traveling from New York to Tokyo in under an hour. Magnetic levitation and vacuum-sealed tunnels make this possible, shrinking the world and connecting us like never before. Fresh produce from one continent can be delivered to another in hours, revolutionizing the food industry and making exotic fruits and vegetables a common sight in markets around the world. Let's take a moment to reflect. Remember the steam engine in the 18th century. It sparked the Industrial Revolution and transformed transportation and manufacturing. Or the invention of the airplane in the early 20th century, making international travel commonplace. These innovations laid the groundwork for today's incredible advancements like the Hyperloop 2.0 and personal drones. Now let's talk about our daily lives. Imagine living much longer thanks to groundbreaking advancements in medicine. Diseases that once plagued us are history. We've harnessed genetic engineering to cure illnesses and even enhance human capabilities. Would you like night vision or enhanced strength? That's an option now. Personalized healthcare systems monitor your health in real time and provide instant treatments, predicting health issues before they arise and ensuring longer, healthier lives. Education and work completely revolutionized. Traditional schools are replaced by immersive virtual reality environments. Imagine learning history by walking through ancient Rome or studying marine biology while swimming with virtual dolphins. These VR classrooms make learning engaging and effective. The workforce is a blend of humans and AI collaborating to solve the world's biggest challenges. AI handles routine tasks, freeing humans to focus on creative and strategic roles. Workplaces are now virtual, with people collaborating worldwide in shared digital spaces. Flexible work hours mean the 9-to-5 job is outdated. People can work from anywhere, anytime, using advanced communication tools. Think about the evolution of education. From chalkboards to digital classrooms and online courses, the internet revolutionized access to information in the late 20th century, paving the way for today's VR learning environments. The blend of AI and human creativity in the workforce is reminiscent of how automation transformed industries in the early 21st century, increasing efficiency and sparking new possibilities. And speaking of AI, our robotic friends are everywhere. They handle mundane tasks, freeing us to focus on creativity, exploration, and personal growth. In daily life, robots assist with cooking, cleaning, and childcare. They prepare meals tailored to your nutritional needs, keep your home spotless, and help with homework. And let's not forget the wonders of nature. Endangered species have been brought back from the brink of extinction through cloning and habitat restoration. Conservation efforts have not only saved these species, but also restored the balance of ecosystems around the world. Extinct species are reintroduced into the wild, bringing new biodiversity and ecological stability. Imagine seeing woolly mammoths roaming the plains or dodos in your backyard. National parks and wildlife reserves have expanded, and advanced monitoring systems ensure wildlife populations are healthy and thriving. Think back to the early conservation efforts in the 19th and 20th centuries, like the establishment of national parks and wildlife protection laws. These movements laid the groundwork for today's advanced conservation techniques, and the restoration of extinct species. As we venture further into this future, the possibilities are endless. Humanity stands at the brink of a new golden age where technology and nature coexist harmoniously and our wildest dreams become reality. There you have it, a glimpse into life 1,000 years from now. An era of innovation, sustainability, and endless adventure. Thanks for watching Past and Planet, and remember, the future is what we make it. Stay curious, stay inspired, and until next time, keep exploring.